This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you if you not get any call to your HK10 Ultra. In fact, you connect and activate the notification but you don't get. So first thing first, you have to check why not get any notification and call in this one. Go to where fits the application, go to device here, and in device here this option called notification, go inside to this option. So all things should be activated. Here you see all the notification, everything should be on. Okay, now I'm calling myself from another phone. Let's see if I get something. You see here I can't answer in this case, so it's another problem we have. So in this case we have to go to again to our phone, and we have to go to Bluetooth option of our phone. Hit this one. In Bluetooth option you see HK10 Ultra is not connected Bluetooth. Hit the setting option, what you want to receive, call input device. You see here, activate those one, that means it's connected. Now put here, and we'll send ourselves, we'll call ourselves. Let's see. Now you can answer or decline the call from your phone. Let's see. I am answering. You see, our answer is working. I cut it off. So this is the way you can fix your HK10 Ultra if you not receive any call or any notification. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.